Hey there friends, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com and thedetoxintuitive.com. I am in my kitchen. Thank you so much for being in my kitchen. I was actually making dinner. The internet went out, it was lagging, but what's new? So I'm recording this on my phone and I was like, why don't I show them what I am making? So I've just kind of got everything out here. Quick introduction, those of you who don't know me, I'm an intuitive healer, a detox specialist by trade, kind of a little bit of a medicine woman, so to speak. I have two YouTube channels. I have Andrea Cox TV right here. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I also have The Detox Intuitive. It's a spiritual channel. I get into the 12 zodiac signs and doing an intuitive reading for all of you. I run spiritual juice fasting, detox raw food retreats in sunny San Diego and coach clients one-on-one just like you. I am the queen of getting weight off people, and also if you struggle with any type of degenerative disease such as cancer, I'm your girl. So I have got just some organic mixed greens. I've got some spinach, some kale, some red leaf lettuce. I've got some nutritional yeast, gluten-free. I've got some dulse granules. I've got some Miko's Plainly Classic. I thought I grabbed the chive, I guess I didn't. Vegan cream cheese. And I have got some little bit of cashew garlic dressing that I made right here. And I've got some mushroom caps. Now, a lot of people say you can't eat mushrooms raw, that they're, you can't absorb the B vitamins, the nutrients. I've eaten mushrooms raw for years. I absolutely love them. So I'm just going to share with you what I'm going to do. I always start my dinner with a bulletproof vest, and generally lately I've been eating before the sun goes down. I just got back onto my schedule, and that involves eating prior to the sun going down. I just feel like it really works best for me. I also want to point out I've got some radishes in here, some little baby radishes. So I'll try to dig one out. Ah, there we go. I'll pop it in my mouth. Good for the thyroid gland. Radishes are. So I've got some nutritional yeast. Top it with my dressing. And then our hands are always our best tool. I'm in my gym clothes. So I'm gonna just kind of dig in and make sure that the dressing is covering all the greens like so. Very simple. Nutritional yeast. You really don't need a lot of dressing if you just mix it with your hands like so. I'll spare you guys, but I will lick. Is that disgusting or what? I don't care. So I'll start off with my salad. I might do a little avocado in there, and then I see that this orange pepper is going bad, so I'm going to use it. So I'll just start off with a really simple dressing. I'll put some dulse granules in it to get extra iodine. Also good for the thyroid, good if you have heavy menstrual cycles. Nutritional yeast, full of B vitamins, very simple. Now, for my favorite. I love to spread Miko's creamery cheese on these mushroom caps. So good. It's almost like salmon lox. It's like, put some chives on here. You won't even know the difference. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna put on here. So I'm gonna sprinkle this with some dulse granules. I'm gonna chop up this orange bell pepper like so. Get some color in there. Ooh, pretty. I'm not gonna put avocado on there because I have avocado, I've got avocado in my salad that I'm gonna use. So you know, just cutting some up, and then I'm gonna grab this handy dandy thing of hemp seeds. My flowers are so pretty. I'm gonna sprinkle some hemp seeds on here like so. So good. Now, I've been vegan, mostly raw vegan, for almost 19 years. I was 100% raw vegan, fully raw for 9 years. I wouldn't even drink tea. Now I'll occasionally have some cooked food, like once or twice a week, but it's usually once or twice a month these days. If I'm on my menses, I have it. So make yourself a beautiful